We've been planning Expedition Tonga for some months, nearly 12.
1, 2, 3.
So it's pretty cool to start executing what we've talked about on paper and all of our background reading and searches. We know that the Pacific Ocean is one of the first oceans to experience some of the impacts of climate change, and we're here to investigate some of the issues and challenges that somewhere like Tonga might be facing in the not too distant future. I'm Jo O'Callaghan. I'm a physical oceanographer. I am one of the scientists here in Expedition Tonga. The Inkfish Coastal Seas team are working in the Hāpai group of islands. These sit in the middle between Tongatapu and Vavau, and they're incredibly remote. This is leg 1 of 3 legs, and we're working together trying to understand mesophotic reef ecosystems. Mesophotic reef ecosystems occur between 30 and 150 metres, and we've got a variety of tools that will be observing and sampling these environments. A lot of effort to date has been looking at sampling shallow reef systems, but we don't have the same amount of knowledge and understanding in mesophotic reef ecosystems. The objectives of Leg 1 are to understand the water column environment, which is important for understanding the processes that are impacting the deep reefs and also the shallow reefs and how they might be connected. The other objective is to map the bathymetry. We have a specialised piece of equipment on the Inkfish tender sky, and we've been mapping some of the reefs nearby.
Slowly turn it to port.
Port, yeah, that's good, and keep this line.
Leg 2 will be using this bathymetry data, and it will be using an AUV to look at making benthic habitat maps from video analysis. Also on Leg 2 we have some mesophotic reef specialists who will be mapping the reefs with cameras to build up a three-dimensional picture of what those reefs look like. On Leg 3 we'll be looking at fisheries biodiversity and abundance, and also looking at genetic connectivity from some key species in Tonga. We are a multidisciplinary team, and we're all approaching this through our own lenses, and we're going to be able to build up this amazing picture of what's happening for mesophotic ecosystems here in Tonga. The data that we're collecting here in Tonga will be complementary to work already underway by various ministries.
Number 1.
So we're excited that the assets and scientific equipment that we're using on these expeditions will be able to support and complement the objectives of the Kingdom of Tonga.